Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Chilski. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and click on the notification bell to get notified every single time I post. So I really hope I'm loud enough, because I got this annoying flu that I have. So guys, today I want you guys to spend the day with me. So today I'll be doing cleaning, like thorough cleaning, all by myself, and I got so much to do. I just woke up and said, why don't I like just vlog my day raw and uncut. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. This is how my day goes when I'm cleaning. Like, I got so much laundry, with this flu, and I'm the one doing it. So I'll be shooting my whole day, like raw and uncut, and just see how it goes. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And my face is glowing, guys. I showed you how to make face masks. I've shown you supplements you need to take. Like, bro, what are you waiting for? And take your supplements, drink your water, mind your business, and use face masks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's get into it. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. I got a lot. Guys, from here, the carpet, I'll be removing it tomorrow. I need to clean it tomorrow. I just had my breakfast, so let's go to the kitchen. From my grandma's place, and they're always so sweet. They aren't fully ripe, but we're getting there. It's dirty. It's very dirty. I got all these I need to clean. Utensils. Yep. You see? It looks horrible. Like, I just need to clean everything. Then let me show you. Don't know if you can see, but I got so much laundry to do. I've soaked some. All that is laundry that I need to take care of. Those are the white clothes, the tops, the bed sheets, trousers, and jackets. There's so much. I wanna cry. So that's laundry. And still need to make my bed. I'll be doing all this, and I need to make my bed and my mom's bed. And this room looks horrible. I don't want even to show you guys, so we're just going to go back. That's all I'll be doing today. So let's get into it, because you see, it's a lot.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me, cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner, cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna give up.
The last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight.
That's right.
Baby, I was born to fight. Born to fight. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to
fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned.
the darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight.
That's right.
Baby, I was born to fight.
Let's go.
Baby, I was born to fight.
It's hard to be yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up when the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation, we gon' make it through. I'm a fighter, not a quitter. They can say that I'm a sinner, cause they love to hate the winner.
I've taken these pills because I've told you I've got a flu, right? So I've taken pills. I don't know if I've overdone. I feel weak. Nilikuwa nimekuja ku make bed, but now I feel so weak, and I got all those clothes there waiting for me. I feel like my whole body is shaking. I don't know if I've overused the medicines, because I've taken supplements and I've taken the flu cortisone. Maybe it's the flu cortisone making me weak, because you know it makes you feel dizzy. Nasikia vibaya, man. Let me make the beds then. I don't know if I'll still be doing the laundry, but I'm about to transform this first room. I'll just do the transformation, so let me try doing this thing. So here is what I'll be need to agenda tandika is a white, so
say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
this too we're
I
going
wanna
to.
wake up with you in the morning. Show me
I'm
there's
done,
nothing fake
guys.
to me
I'm
now.
done,
I
and
wanna
I'm
wake
so
up with you
tired.
in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with
That's it
you.
for my day. I've just cooked. I'm so tired, yo. I'm tired. When I say I'm tired, I'm so tired. So yeah, I'm about to eat now and enjoy my movie. Currently I'm watching Teen Wolf. Yeah, I know I'm really behind because actually I'm in season 3, but it is what it is. So that's it for my day. My day cleaning and yeah, and doing all, I guess it's just cleaning. That's it for my day cleaning, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notified every single time I post, and I appreciate you all who come back to watch my videos. I love you all so much. Bye.